My garage has looked like this for way too long. Every time I walk in, I tell myself I'll clean it next weekend, but that weekend never came. So with a 4-day weekend, I finally said that's it. Time to fix this. I started off in CAD because, of course, I've got to design it before I even touch a saw. I probably spent more time designing than building. But hey, at least it looks good on screen. The software even spits out a bill of materials for me, which saves me the maths headache. I'll take that any day. Then came the workout part, moving everything off that wall. Who needs a gym when you've got a garage full of junk to lift? Next, I got into cutting some timber, and yeah, no mask, no glass is not my smartest moment. Learned my lesson real quick though. Full PPE mode engaged, goggles, mask, earmuffs, the whole package. After all that cutting, the floor looked like a lumber yard. So it was time to move everything inside and start building. Next, I marked the studs and used my laser level. Because if it's not laser straight, it's not me. Finally, time to build. It's super satisfying watching everything come together. My little helper even jumped in to help. Pretty sure she did more sweeping than I did building, but it still counts. After a few hours, it was really starting to take shape. Solid shelves and a very tired dad. To finish it off, I cut some 6mm MDF for the tops, and just when I got into it, my battery died. Classic. And here it is, the final setup.
Alexa, turn on the light.
I added an LED strip under the shelf, so now it's not just organized, it's got vibes. Feels amazing to finally have a proper workspace again. I guess all I needed was a long weekend, a little motivation, and a lot of sawdust. Thanks for watching.